Hello guys, summer is here. Why not make ice cream? Yes, we will make butterscotch ice cream with minimum ingredients. We will need basic ingredients: milk, custard powder and caramel crunch. For making butterscotch ice cream, we need to make caramel crunch and ice cream milk base. For making the caramel crunch, we need half a bowl of cashew, half a bowl of walnut, 3/4 to 1 bowl of sugar, white sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 Ziploc bag and a hard weight. We will take 1.5 liter of full cream milk, 4 tablespoons of butterscotch custard powder, 1/4 bowl of cold milk, 1/4 bowl of white sugar and few drops of vanilla essence. Let's begin. Before proceeding to make the caramel crumble, first we will keep the full cream milk for boiling. In a Ziploc bag, we will take walnut, and cashew, and we will break them into smaller pieces. Now these are broken and ready. We will transfer it to bowl again. These are semi-crushed like this. On the other side, we will take one non-stick pan and now we will use the 3/4 to 1 cup of sugar, white sugar. We will keep the flame on low and keep mixing. Slowly, white sugar will start melting. After approximately 2 minutes, we will now add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it properly. Adding little water will help sugar to caramelize faster. Do not add extra water. Sugar melting will typically take around 15 minutes. On the other side, now milk has come to boil. Now we will add 1/4 cup of white sugar to milk. We will mix it well and allow the sugar to dissolve completely. We will keep it on medium flame now so that the sugar dissolves faster. We will see now sugar. It's still not melted. Please keep it on low flame only because otherwise it will burn. Now we will prepare the custard mix. We will add custard powder, 4 tablespoons of butterscotch custard powder into cold milk. Our homogeneous mix is now ready. Now we will pour it into milk. Now we will add the custard mix into the milk. Give it a nice mix. Now we will switch off the gas and we will let it cool. We will now pour it into a steel bowl and keep it for cooling. After 1 hour of cooling, we will put it into the refrigerator for freezing. Now our sugar is caramelized. We will now add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Mix it well. Still we will keep it on a low flame for another half a minute. Take it on a spoon, let it cool for 10 seconds and you can check. This is now hardening. See, like this. So this is the time we will add the dry fruits. We will add the dry fruits and mix quickly. Now I am greasing 1 steel thali with ghee. Now we will pour the butterscotch caramel mix onto the plate. We will quickly spread it. See, like this. Now we will let it cool for 1 hour so it hardens. Now to clean this pan, I have put it on flame again and heat it so that the caramel melts again. So wipe it off with a tissue paper. It will be easier to clean. This has come to room temperature now. We will add few drops of vanilla essence. This is optional, you can choose not to do it. Mix it well. Now we will cover it and keep it into deep freezer for refrigeration. The caramel crumble also has cooled down. Now with the help of a knife, we will take it out. Now we will put them into Ziploc bag. Hold this part and break it. From the shown measurement, I have got 2 balls of caramel crumble. This we will use for ice cream, and this we can store it in airtight container for future use. We can use it in cake decoration, or we can also use in next round of vanilla ice cream, so that it can be mixed in the ready-made ice cream to make it as a butterscotch ice cream. Friends, 4 hours have passed and now as you can see it is as hard as ice cream should be. Now we will blend it into a smooth paste with a mixie or a hand blender. This is how it is going to look, very creamy and nice texture after blending. Now we will start putting it into a ice cream tray, or I am taking here one box. First layer is set. So now we will add the caramel crumbs. Now in an airtight container, we will put it into deep refrigerate for 5 to 6 hours. After 7 to 8 hours of deep freezing, our ice cream is now ready. It's beautiful. Let's start the plating.